Namaste friends, this is Nisha Thakur here, and in this video I am going to show you how to solve linear value equation. When solving equations with absolute value, we can end up with more than one possible answers. This is because what is in the absolute value can be either positive or negative, and we must account for both possibilities when solving equations. So for this question here, absolute by the definition of uh, absolute value, the absolute value can be positive or negative. Okay, so this is the definition of absolute value. Okay, this is very simple question, basic questions, and now we get this. So notice here, absolute value is not alone. So first we have to make isolate this. For this, we have to subtract 5 both side, and we get this absolute value x. 8 minus 5, we get 3, and this can be positive or this can be negative. So we got two answers, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now here, can you notice here it is also not alone. It is so we have to make alone this or isolate this, and for this we have to divide by 4 because minus 4 is multiply with this, so opposite divide. Okay, now here absolute value x equal 5. Minus 20 divided by minus 4, we get 5. And absolute value can be positive 5 or negative 5. We got two answers. Okay, these are very basic questions but very important. Okay, here also we have to make alone this isolate value, sorry, absolute value, and here we have to sub add 4. So 5 absolute value x equal 30. Now both side divide by 5, we get 6. So absolute value can be positive or can be negative. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. This one here 2x minus 1 in the absolute value. It means here absolute value is this whole part. Okay. So it can be positive 7 or it can be minus negative 7. Okay, so now we got two linear equations and we can easily solve for x. Both side add 1, so this is 8. Both side divide by 2, we get 4. This is our first answer. Okay, here same thing, both side add 1, so minus 6, and both side divide by 2, we get negative 3. So we got two answers, 4 or minus 3. In this question, we have to make isolate this absolute value, and for this we have to subtract 2, right? And for this is cancel minus 4 2x plus 3 equal minus 20. And now both side divide by minus 4. So absolute value 2x plus 3 divide by minus 4, we get 5. And here absolute value can be positive 2x plus 3 equal 5 or 2x plus 3 equal minus 5. So one time positive, one time negative. And we got two linear equations, so we can solve for very, this is actually, we can solve for x, and this is very easy. So 5 minus 3, 2, and x can be 1. Here 2x equal minus 3, So minus 8 and x can be minus 4. We got two answers. So these are really very, very easy questions, isn't it? Okay. Here we have to make isolate this first. For this we have to subtract 7 both side. So we got absolute value 2x minus 5 equal minus 3, right? But here, look carefully here. Absolute value equal minus 3. It means negative value. And do you know absolute value always be positive, right? So it is not possible, correct? So here, no solution. We can't solve for x because absolute value always be positive, right? Okay. In this type of question, here given both side absolute value. So don't worry. Here, this second absolute value can be positive and can be negative. So 2x minus 7 equal 4x plus 6, or 2x minus 7 equal minus 4x plus 6. So here important thing is, left hand side you can write as it is, and right hand side can be positive or negative. Okay. Now we can solve for x. So both sides subtract 4x. It means minus 2x minus 7 equals 6. And both side add 7. So minus 2x equal 13. And both side divide by minus 2. So we get minus 13 upon 2. This is our first answer. And here 2x minus 7. Tell me, here, how can we solve this? How can we open parenthesis? So minus multiply with this whole parenthesis, so all sign will be changed. Okay. Mostly students do minus 4x plus 6, but no, this is very common mistake, so be aware. Minus 4x minus 6. Okay. Now both side add 4x, so this will be 6x minus 7 equal minus 4, and both side add 7, so minus 6 plus 7 1, and both side divide by 6, we get 1 upon 6. This is our second answer. So, really, these are very easy questions if you know how to solve linear equations. And if you want more questions, so please email me. I can send you. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.